Crocs Affiliate Program tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Crocs Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to crocs.com, or you can simply click on the description below and you will be directed on this page. But before we jump on to Crocs Affiliate Program, let's start first by knowing the brand of Crocs. So Crocs is a footwear brand known for its distinctive clog-size shoes made from proprietary foam resin material, in which the shoes are recognized by their unique design, which features ventilation holes, a slip-on style, and a comfortable fit. Crocs have gained widespread popularity and have become a fashion phenomenon in various settings including comfort, ventilation, colorful design, versatility, durability, and customization. And now, to join to their affiliate program, just go on the footer section and click Affiliate Program. And you will be directed in here, in which it will show you some of the factors that you need to consider before joining to the affiliate program of Crocs, including some of the questions in which below is the corresponding answer to that question. So for the first question, how do I get started? It says here that if you apply or submit an application, you will be notified when your site has been accepted. And aside from that, you could also see here other questions including why become a Crocs affiliate and who can participate, and what are the criteria for partnership, in which each question has its corresponding answer below them. For example, the question, getting paid, how much will I be paid? And it says here that the standard commission rate is 8% per transaction. So that is the possible commission rate that you will get if you're eligible to be part of their affiliate program. However, in order to join to the affiliate program, we're going to use our website called impact.com. So kindly go on the next tab and just enter impact.com. And if you have no idea what is this platform, basically impact.com is a platform that focuses on partnership automation and affiliate marketing. Impact.com provides technology and solutions for businesses to manage, track, and optimize their partnership and affiliate programs. And some of the features it provides including partner management, tracking and analytics, commission management, customization, reporting, and integration, in which some of the benefit it provides including efficient partner management, comprehensive tracking and analytics, data-driven decision-making, customizable programs, automated commission management, integration with e-commerce platforms, enhanced partner relationship, scalability, global reach, promotional tools, risk mitigation, and real-time reporting. And to register on this platform Impact, you could also click this Request a Demo button, in which below here you could sign up as a partner, and by clicking this button Sign Up as a Partner, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, all you need to do is to sign up using your email address, or alternatively, you can use Apple ID, Facebook, Google account, Twitter, or even your LinkedIn account. And after signing up, the next thing that you need to do is to click the Sign In button on the top right corner. And upon signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard, in which, as you can see here on the dashboard, it will show you the total earnings, the total pending amount, and the balance, or your earn in commission. And below that, it will also show you the snapshot, in which you can track the number of clicks, actions, payouts, sale amount, and even the conversion rate of your affiliate program that you join. And below here, it will show you other brands that you can work instantly by applying to their affiliate program. You can see here the names, the category, the commission rate or payout, and other details. While on the right side panel in here, under the Create a Link, from here it will show you the affiliate program that you join, and below is the tracker links that you can use to promote their platform, in which you can attach it using your Facebook account, your email address, to your Instagram posts, Twitter, and many more. And from here, aside from that, you could also see here on the top panel other options that you can navigate, including home, brands, and by clicking find brands, you will be directed in here, in which you can find a specific brand that you want to apply to their affiliate program. And on the left side panel, you will see some categories that you can select to find the target brands, while on the right side is a different kind of brands that you can apply to their affiliate program. And now, to search for the Crocs, kindly click on the search bar on the top right corner and just enter the word Crocs, and it will show you the results on the right side panel. But you need to make sure that there is no check on the left side panel under the categories, so that we will be able to see the result of the Crocs brand that you can apply to the affiliate program. And now, based on the result, we have here Crocs SG, Crocs US, and any other Crocs from different region. And in those results, if you cannot find your region, you can just simply click any other region, but I'm going to select Crocs US since I do have a traffics that is also from US. So in order to select a specific brand with different region, kindly click on it, and upon clicking on it, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and it will show you this one. And as you can see here on the left side panel, if you scroll down below, you will see the description about this brand Crocs, the preferred business models, the percentage of response, and the percentage of acceptance. While on the right side, you will see here the commission that you will get, which is starting or in between 6% to 11% commission rate. And to know more about the details of this affiliate program, just click this details section. And from here, it will also show you how they can track your traffic, including unique promo code tracking, mobile site, and pixel piggyback. And it also includes the deep linking, and below is the other program details that you could also read before applying to their affiliate program. And from here, just click View Terms to know more about policy and guidelines before applying to this affiliate program of Crocs. And by clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and you can just simply read the terms and condition. And now to apply to their affiliate program, just click the Apply button, and the next thing that you need to do is to enter a briefly description of why you want to work on this campaign, and just proceed by clicking the Apply button below. And after that, it says here that your application is pending review. So all you need to do is to wait for their confirmation email that will be sent to your email inboxes, indicating that you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program. And if you got accepted, in order to promote the platform or brand of Crocs, you need to have a tracker links to promote the Crocs brand. And your tracker links will appear on here once your application has been accepted. So that is just how you can join the Crocs affiliate program. Thank you.